called Rainy Day. Whoa, Chelsea, what's wrong? Lightning, thunder, rain! Calm down. Lightning and thunder may be loud, but we're inside, and it's harmless when we're inside. And I know, it's kind of scary. No, it's really scary. Now I want to stand in the backyard. Now I can't because it's pouring rain. Oh, come on, Chelsea. There's many other things to do, like hide and seek. I played that yesterday with Barbie. Okay, why don't you go play with your toys? I played with my toys yesterday. Okay, why don't you draw? I drew an elephant yesterday. Why don't you draw in your... I told you I already drew yesterday. You didn't let me finish. Why don't you draw in your coloring book? I drew an elephant, and then in my coloring book, I drew Mickey Mouse. Oh, so you did that as well? Mm-hmm. Why don't we sing? I sang with Stacy on the microphone. You don't have a microphone or a phone, or else you took my microphone in karaoke. Yeah, how did you know? Chelsea, why did you tell her? You heard that? Thunder! Calm down, that thunder was teeny tiny. But I could still hear it. Oh boy. Psst, Stacy. Yeah? Come here. And entertain Chelsea while I think of ideas of what to do, okay? Oh, all right. I'm counting on you. Okay. Hey, Chelsea, let's play rock, paper, scissors. No, thank you. I want to stay in my bed. Let's play rock, paper, scissors here. Ugh, whatever. Ooh, I know. That's a lot of rain. Anyway, on with the idea. Oh, and the most important thing. My phone. Let's stop playing rock, paper, scissors. In all the rounds, we both did paper. Well, that means we think alike. I'm so bored. And I really want to play in the backyard. Where is Skipper? Girls, meet me in the kitchen, okay? Thank goodness, Chelsea was getting grumpier and grumpier every second. Hey! Anyway, meet me in the kitchen. ASAP. Okay. Huh? Surprise! What is all this? We're gonna make music with pots and pans. Everybody, grab something. Can I join you guys? Sure. Yay! I want that. I'm gonna choose this and this plate. I want this and this. This plate is as big as my head. Aw, man, all that's left for me is a purple plate. You can have this as well. Okay. It's time to make some music. Oh, Grandma, we were just making some music. Yeah, please don't be upset. Why would I be upset? There's nothing else to do on a rainy day. Keep on having fun. Yay! Oh no! Thunder! Chelsea, everything's gonna be okay. Yeah, Chelsea, it's just some thunder. Look, it's gone now.